AI coding assistants are transforming how software gets built. But with that speed comes the new category of risk: open source license compliance and IP exposure from AI generated code. That's the challenge FOSSA's AI Guardrails solution was built to help solve. Let's start with the big picture. In short, AI coding assistants are everywhere. A recent GitHub survey reported that 97% of developers say they use these AI coding tools, and 90% of Fortune 100 companies alone have adopted GitHub Copilot. But for all the obvious benefits of AI coding assistants, there are risks as well. AI models are trained on open source code, and their output can match licensed software, creating IP and compliance exposure your team may not see. AI output can match copyleft license code like GPL, triggering obligations that may include source code exposure that you didn't plan for. Also, many models have limitations with provenance tracking and struggle to communicate where a suggestion came from or what license applies to it. AI tooling vendors do offer some protections. They have filters you can toggle to block suggestions that match specific code over a certain length, and paid plans may include indemnification. Also, some tools do try to match output to training data, but there are critical limitations. The bottom line is that you need an independent compliance layer that works regardless of which AI tool your teams are using. That's what FOSSA's AI Guardrails solution offers. It covers every step of the license compliance workflow for AI-generated code. It determines code provenance, surfacing snippets that match licensed software components, along with component name, version, and license. It gives you all licensing obligations in one place and helps keep undesirable licenses out of production by automatically enforcing your policies. And it produces SBOMs and attribution notices. Now, let's show you how to use it. Once you've had snippet scanning enabled on your account, you'll start the workflow like you would with the FOSSA Analyze command, just with an appended snippet scan command. Once the scan completes, the snippet inventory view shows all detected snippet matches right alongside your dependency inventory. For each match, you see the package name and version, detected licenses categorized by your organization's policy, match confidence level, and the number of matching files in your project. Here, the comparison view lets you put the snippets in your code side by side with the matched third-party source. You can review the file structure, confirm or reject matches, and filter by confidence level to focus on the most significant findings first. FOSSA makes it easy to enforce your license policies at scale. You can use out-of-the-box or custom-created policies to automatically deny builds that contain snippets with high-risk licenses. Filter and prioritize snippet-specific issues by type, license name, and discovery date. And with ignore rules for semantic versions, you have full control over how issues are handled across your codebase. You'll triage snippet issues like you would other types of issues within FOSSA. You can create a ticket to resolve the matter, or you can ignore the issue, either for a set period of time with our time-based ignore rules, or permanently. When it's time to ship, FOSSA generates complete SBOMs and license attribution reports that include both your dependencies and snippet matches. You can track what's been added or removed between revisions, giving you full traceability from scan to release. FOSSA's AI Guardrails solution is different from legacy snippet detection products in a few important ways. For one, it works fast. It's also focused. A multi-step ranking algorithm prioritizes the most relevant matches by provenance, component metadata, and match score, so you're not drowning in false positives. And it's actionable. It fits within your existing license compliance workflows. If your team is using AI coding tools, and at this point, most every team is, FOSSA's AI Guardrails solution gives you the confidence to move fast without putting your IP at risk. Visit fossa.com to learn more or request a demo, or reach out to our team, hello@fossa.com.